Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is My Favorite Cousin. Introduction. We all have cousins and I have two. Actually, I have lots of cousins and I like a few of them a lot. I have a very favorite cousin. She is very talented and intelligent. Today I will tell about her. Cousins are part of our family. We need to have a good relation with them. My favorite cousin. My favorite cousin's name is Jessica. She is a very charming and attractive girl. Though she is my 2 years older, still we are good friends. We share everything between us. Whenever I feel alone or depressed, I go to meet her. Her house is not so far from our house. She is a student of medical college. She will be a doctor in the future. Her aim in life is too good. I also wish to become a doctor in the future. I follow her a lot. She is a very good student from her childhood. She had a very good results in the school final. I have a garden in front of my house. I got the idea after watching her gardening. I loved that and wanted to that in our house. Now I have got a beautiful garden too. She helped me a lot with information and seeds. In the last summer vacation, she joined us on a picnic with the family. That was so much fun and we enjoyed ourselves a lot. She comes to our house very often and I also go to their house. Why I like her? There are so many reasons that are why I like her a lot. She is an honest person. She never lies and always encourages me to become a true person. She can draw beautiful paintings. Whatever she does, she teaches me that. I am a very good learner and I always love to learn new things from her. She teaches me gardening, painting, singing, and making paper crafts. She is an always smiling girl with a good heart. She loves to help everyone in society. Her personality is very beautiful. She is so much straightforward person. She had very good knowledge of medical science because she is a student at a medical college. Whenever we have any little health issue, we call her and she give us good suggestions. There are enormous reasons that are why I like her. All of our cousins like her a lot. Her singing and dancing skill. Despite having good knowledge of medicine, gardening, and lots of things, she loves to dance and sing. Her voice is so sweet. She had never learned music, but she can sing very well. We love to hear her music. Once she performed her dance in the annual celebration of school. Everyone was very happy with her performance. She sings songs sometimes in the house too. In all of the festivals, she prepares music and dance. Conclusion. That's all about my favorite cousin Jessica. She is awesome and I love her so much. I wish to become like her. She is so much inspiring and amazing. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.